How to add signature in Gmail mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can add signature in Gmail mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch Gmail application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to top left corner and tap on this three-line icon. From this menu bar, scroll down and head towards the settings and then tap on it. So once you're here, select your account. Now under your account, you have to scroll down and under general, there is an option as mobile signature, tap on it. So here you can add a signature. Enter your desired signature text here. Once you're done, tap on OK to save it. And that's the way to add signature in Gmail mobile application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.